Bob to wear a mummy costume and do 7 things in it. You think she can do it?
No.
Let's find out. I dare you to do the scissors.
Oh no. Okay.
Now, chicken dance.
Oh no.
Chicken dance. She's gonna do the chicken dance. Jump up and down.
This is my third. Fourth.
Run in place.
Oh no. Oh. Fifth.
Scratch your head.
Oh no. Does it matter what I scratch it with? Okay. Sixth.
Pat your belly.
Seventh. Oh no, my seventh. Can I go boom boom pow?
No. You can.
This is my last one. Make it good.
What should she do?
Cha-cha slide.
Yeah, cha-cha slide. She's gonna do the cha-cha slide.
To the right now. To the left. Right foot, left down. Left foot, left down. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it around. To the left now. To the right now, y'all. I had this time, yeah. Yada, 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 boom! Oh, yeah. I did it.
I got to get out of that thing. Well, it's the Bob and Larry